Okay, let's take just a second, go into Expression Design here and create a sample. So this is logo square. What we're going to do, I'm going to create this document, and we'll create the different slices for different size files that it'll export, like we would use in Windows 8. So 270 by 270 is the largest square logo that we need in Windows 8 right now, so I'll go ahead and create it that size. Now, just for fun, I'll create some shapes, right? Because this is what my logo might look like. Hopefully yours won't look quite like this, but you know, it's fun. I mean, we're just having a good time here. Let's see, I'll change some colors so that things don't all match. And maybe a little rectangle for the entire thing. I'll change that to green. I'll also send that to the back. All right, so there's the beginning of my logo. It's sort of goofy. Let me add some text. Let's see. I would say it's called my app, right? My app. I'll change that to be white, and I will also, let's see, Sego UI. I'll make it Sego UI. Actually, just for the sake of fun, we'll change it to some kind of goofy one like this, and I'll also resize it, right? A little bit like that. Actually, just to show, I can resize it. I'll put it over there, and I'll go down and manipulate the tracking, right? So I'll spread the letters out just a little bit. Anyway, let's pretend that this is your app. Please don't let this be your app. This is absolutely terrible. Okay, I need some slices now defined so I can export it to all the different sizes. Let's see. This is the slice tool right here, right? You can see it's a K that would have done it. So here's what I'll do. I'll draw the box exactly matching the boundary of the canvas itself. These things are outside of it, but it just doesn't matter. And so here's the slice layer. This is the group that holds it. Here's my slice. These are the properties right above it. I'm going to change it to say logo 270 by 270. That's what I'm going to name it. Obviously, you can name it anything. I'll also make sure it really is 270 by 270. And it is. So the next thing I'll do, I will draw... I don't need to draw another one. Look, I can just click on this one and say copy paste, and then it just makes a new one for me. That's a lot easier for me. I'll go here, change this to say, let's make it 50 by 50. Go down and make the size actually 50 by 50. And you'll see nothing's changed here as far as 50 by 50. You also notice that the boundary's off just a little, so I got to make sure that's right. All right, good. It's all set up. Once I have that set and I know the file name's right and I know the resolution is right, I don't need to think about it anymore. I could hide them either individually or I could hide them all at once. If I hide them all at once, do know I can't go create another slice, right? See, I have that because the slice layer is invisible. I would have to re-show the slice layer. Then I could go create another one. Make sense? All right, so I will go ahead and hide it from here. And obviously I could save it, but what I really want to do here to show this off is export it. That's Control E. You can see the two slices are shown up here in the little thumbnails. The first one, the 50 by 50, and the 270 by 270. You can see their properties here match with the properties that I set in the document as well. What's nice is Control E, and there it is. Now all I have to do is make sure that the export folder here, let's make it, there we go, is correct. Then if I click Export All, bam, it goes ahead and takes this. This is not saving, by the way. I've saved this elsewhere. This is what it's actually doing. It's just taking, exporting those images. And so here's that folder. You can see I've got the two images in different sizes. The first one's 50 by 50, and this one's 270 by 270. I could create another one, change its size, create another one, change its size, and every one of them would obey the setting that I give it inside the document every time I export it. That means now I can go back in. I can be like, you know what? This background circle totally needs to be, let's say, orange, right? For whatever reason. Now, Control E. I'm ready to export. I don't need to change anything. I'll just say export. It'll prompt me to replace those two. No problem. Go back to that folder, and now those have been exported to the correct size again. All 14 of the square ones instantaneously exported for me like that. I could just go. Once you set this document up for your app and its logo, you're ready to go. You can open it up, tweak it. You can even copy and paste between other documents, you know, as you have Square and the wide tile and your promotional images, right? So it's not like you have to do this over and over again. You can have it because it's all vector based. As it scales up and down, it's always as good as you can do it, right? I made this note in the document, or I made this note in the article, but what I mean to say is You might need to create a special document for smaller images. Like something like this, see how busy it is and how small it is. If this were 16 by 16, you wouldn't be able to even see it, right? It would be so tiny. So you might need to make something special just for your 16 by 16 logo. Or maybe not. Maybe you've got it made. Either way, Expression Design allows you to build the vector-based image, as well as, I'll point out, I could select a couple things in it. Let's just say these things, right? And then I could say copy as XAML, and then I could put it not as a bitmap, but as a vector image inside my application if I wanted it to show up somewhere and know that it would scale well. Pretty nice. Actually, that's really nice. Nonetheless, creating all the different images you need in order to have your app be successful in the Windows Store, Design can do it for you. Obviously, other tools could do it for you as well. Design built for it, as well as a free download. Absolutely beautiful. Best of luck.